Ready to unlock explosive growth for your real estate business? Today, we're diving into BoldTrail, the powerhouse CRM designed to revolutionize how you generate leads, manage clients, and close deals. Formerly known as CAVCOR, BoldTrail is an all-in-one solution, and we're going to show you the key elements in just 90 seconds. First up, let's talk lead generation. BoldTrail lets you create targeted landing pages, run effective ad campaigns, and capture leads directly into your system. See how easy it is to build a high-converting landing page. Once you have those leads, BoldTrail's smart CRM steps and keep all your contact information organized, add detailed notes about your interactions, and easily segment your database with custom tags. Now for the game-changer marketing automation. Set up automated email campaigns and text message sequences to nurture leads and stay top of mind, even when you're not actively working on them. The best part is that this process is completely automated. BoldTrail seamlessly integrates with your website and IDX feed, providing your clients with a user-friendly search experience and giving you valuable insights into their preferences. It all works in perfect harmony. Finally, streamline your transactions with BoldTrail's built-in transaction management tools. Keep track of key dates, manage documents, and collaborate with your team, all in one central location. BoldTrail empowers you to work smarter, not harder. Explore all of the great features and start growing your business today.